Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to post a thought in TikTok. If you've been searching for a way to add a text note or thought on TikTok, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To post a thought or note on TikTok, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're on TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look for your profile picture at the top of the screen. At the top of your profile picture, you'll see a thought box. Tap on it. A new screen will appear where you can type any text or note to share with your friends and followers. Tap on the box and start typing any text or emoji. Once you've added your note, you'll see a button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on your story to post your note. Once posted, it will appear at the top of your profile picture, and your TikTok friends and followers can view it.